tried to find a video to help you understand square roots and was unable to find one. So I decided to make my own. For your benchmark coming up this week, one of the main focuses is rational and irrational numbers. And one of the questions on the test asks you to identify all the possible solutions for the square root of a number. And I believe at this point most of you can take the square root of a number such as 144. You've seen this in the Pythagorean theorem, where we take the square root of both sides so that the square root of x squared is x. Because to take the square root of something is the inverse of squaring something. When you square 8, 8 squared is 64. Well, the opposite of that is to take the square root of 64 and come up with 8. So the square root of x squared is x. It's what times itself equals x squared. Well, x times x equals x squared. Another option, of course, is the square root of 144. 12 times 12 is 144. However, we also learned in 7th grade that a negative times a negative is a positive. So therefore, negative 12 times negative 12 is also 144. This is a possible solution. Another way to look at this is we don't actually have to take the square root of the number. We could leave it like this, because that also means 12 or negative 12. And because we know that negative times negative is a positive, this is also a possible answer. Because the square root of 144 is 12, then negative 12 is also a possible answer. So all 4 of these are possible solutions to the original question, x squared equals 144, solve for x. Okay, let's try another problem. What is the solution to this? Well, hopefully by now you're thinking that x could be 6, x could be negative 6, x could be the square root of 36, and it could be the negative square root of 36. These are all possible solutions.